What's up guys, this is Adam from KFRtechnology, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own Minecraft server. First you're going to right click on the screen, go to New, Folder, and then just type Minecraft Server. I'm just going to put a 1 since I already do have one set up. Then you're going to go to Chrome or Internet Explorer and just type in Minecraft.net. Then you're going to click Download it here, and then you're going to click on this Minecraft Server 1.7.9.exe. Then you're going to take that, which will download right there, drag it into your Minecraft server folder, and then open that up. Click on that. This will start the server and download everything you're going to need, and then you can just type in /stop, and that'll stop it. So you have a couple things here. You have the logs, which is where everything that happened on the server will be stored. You have the world, which is the actual world that you're going to have and be able to play on. You have banned IPs, players, you have ops, people who basically can type in commands. You have a whitelist, and then we have this called server properties. If you open that up, we see a lot of things here, such as we have the server port, which is kind of important, I'll get to later. You have the seed, which you should be able to use to set the world. You have server IP, which you can customize what the IP is. You have the max build height, which you can change. You have a whitelist. If you make this true, then you go to this whitelist document. That'll allow only people who are on there to get in. You have animals, things like that. You have difficulty, what game mode people are in, if command blocks should be in there or not. So there's a ton of things. You can set up a lot of things here, how many players can join, things like that. Also, we have level name world. This is really important because say I just drag a world and it's called Let's Play in here. If this doesn't say Let's Play, then the world will not load. So this always has to equal whatever this is going to equal there. So that's really important. So now we have the server up. We need to make it so people can actually join. So you're going to want to go to search and just type in CMD, right click it, and hit run as administrator. Hit yes, and then you're going to want to type in up here IP config. It's going to give us this default gateway. It's going to give us this right here. So we're going to take that number and type it in up here. So mine was 192.168.1.1. Click enter. For Netgear, this will pop up. Username should be admin, password should be password, so login should just get you through. Then if you have Netgear, you click advanced setup, and if you don't have Netgear, you're going to try and still find port forwarding / port triggering. Click on that, hit add custom service, give it a second to load, and then here we go. Service name, just want to make that Minecraft server, something very easy to recognize. You're going to keep this how it is. Make the port 25565, and again for the other one 25565. Those should be the same. And then we have this last digit that we don't have. This digit should stem from whatever this last digit is in your default gateway. So you're going to take that digit, put it there, and then you would click apply. For me, I'm just going to click cancel. So that's going to set up the server so it's actually going to run on your internet. The next thing, so after that your server is set up. You just have one more thing to do. You're going to want to add more RAM so it'll run better. Because at the moment where it is, if we go ahead and run this, we see we have only about 60 megabytes actually being used, and we can make that a lot more. So just type /stop, and then you're going to go to right click again, hit new, you want to go to text document, just name this run, open it up, and I'm going to leave something in the description. You're going to want to copy that. This is what it's going to be. Now right here where my cursor is, this is the number that controls how much RAM you have. So right now this is set to 3 gigs. If you want 2, I believe it's just each gigabyte is equal to 512. So if you wanted 1 gig, you would do 512. If you just wanted 1 gigabyte, 512. If you wanted 2, you do 1024. and 1024. This all depends on your own computer, so whatever you want. Having copying and pasting this should work. Then you want to hit File, Save As, keep it, call it Run, and you're just going to add on .bat at the end. Very important that you do this. Hit Save. It'll make this new folder that will be Run. Double click that, and here's your server. Now instead of running at about like the 60 we have, it only needs 60 to run at the moment, but like you saw in the beginning, it'll jump up to 160, so if it needs more, it will. This will allow for more players to be on the server at one point. And that's how you do it. The server is up and running, and it works. This is a strictly vanilla server. You shouldn't see anything here. This should all be blank as of, I think, the 1.7 or 6 update. This became blank. This will all work. When players join, their names will pop up here. You can type commands in here like /game mode 0 1, whatever you want. You could do /time set, day, whatever. This will control it all. So that's how you set up your Minecraft server. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, a like would be appreciated, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye. I actually forgot to tell you how you're actually going to get onto the server. So what you're going to do is you're going to search your IP address, and whenever that comes up, you'll take the number that you see in your IP address, go into Minecraft, and then you'll put that in the IP address slot, and then at the end of it, you'll just add :25565. So if your IP address is this number, you'll put this in the IP slot for server, and then just do :25565, and that's how you get on the server.